Hey everyone, last week I showed you Accessibility Agent. Accessibility Agent is an AI tool to help developers remediate accessibility issues in web content. That tool only used JSX A11y to run tests. Today, I've added the ability to run the tests using AxeCore. AxeCore is a testing library that powers some of the most popular accessibility testing tools, including Microsoft Accessibility Insights and Chrome's Lighthouse DevTools. So if I run this script against a directory, right now I'm running it against Ruby on Rails's developer guides. The tool first loads fake data into the template. This is an interesting step because running a static template through Xcore is not really a high fidelity way of doing things. Mostly because, well, in part because the variables in content don't get hydrated when you run through JS DOM. So something that would be interpolated into a helper wouldn't get run normally. And I'm running a step that fills in any undefined variables with actual content. So that step helps Xcore run more effectively. So it found a couple of issues. Heading order is invalid. So let's attempt to fix that issue first. And there you go. The H3 became an H2. And I'm going to approve that change. Now that writes it to disk. The next failure is about an unordered list only being able to contain a list item. Didn't apply the fix, so I'm going to retry it and see what it comes up with. Okay, retry one more time. And I can pass additional instructions in here to augment the prompt if I want to. So this is not fixing the issue that it was indicating, so I'm just going to skip over this one. Now it's scanning the rest of the directory for any additional accessibility issues and didn't find any. So if I go to the Rails folder that I created, I can look at the change that it applied. I could commit this, I could open a PR, or I could run my unit tests to make sure that, and end-to-end tests to make sure that there aren't any visual changes, etc. I'm super excited about this because it unlocks a lot more possibility with regards to what templates can be run. And it uses the industry standard accessibility testing tools with Xcore.